Have you ever been in a situation where you needed small assistance and you had no one to call on? Because most of the people that you did have to call on for advice or wisdom or some financial help if needed, they passed away. And those who are in your life, you're not no longer associated with them, so you find yourself standing alone sometimes. And you know what I have noticed when you do that? That's a scripture in the Bible that says a neighbor close by is better than a family member far away. And I remember when I read that, and I was like, man, what did that mean? I get it now. My neighbors, the people I have met since I've been out here in Phoenix networking, only a small few too, like very. One hand, I can count them on one hand, has became my family. You know, my family, I can't depend on them, man. You know what I mean? If I want to call and get some updates on how everybody doing or what's going on, I can get that. But as far as like some real wisdom or just talking or chopping it up about life, I don't have that. You know what I mean? I realized since I've been out here, it's just been me and my wife. And we don't see eye to eye all the time. You know what I mean? That's what it is. I think that's normal. But we realize that we are all we got. So we do whatever it takes to make sure one another is good. Like, so we try to spoil one another. And we got some little ones that we try to look out for. We got the little ones that we try to take care of, when we're able. But other than that, it's just us, you know what I mean? And I can't lie to you, man. It's been a humbling situation because I remember at one time in my life, like I had people around me that I thought was friends and I thought was loyal, but they wasn't. And you know what? It's funny how time will always show you who got your back. Hold on.